Are you being annoyed by the Bcd library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Don't let Bcd library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Bcd library. This library is responsible for the Windows boot configuration data, BSOD interface. It manages the system's startup parameters and the transition logic from firmware to the OS kernel. Errors involving this file are high risk and usually occur during the boot sequence, leading to a boot configuration data is missing or contains errors, BSOD. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Bcd library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Bcd library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that manual replacement of Bcd library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Bcd library. If this fix repaired Bcd library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.